Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Hakim and this is my presentation partner.
Hi, my name is Siti Balkis and today we want to talk about hiking. So, here we go!
What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny.
Hiking is one of outdoor activities that basically walking in nature or on any path or on a specific trail. Hiking only requires the person to walk at a normal to a brisk pace in order to reduce weight as well as get the fresh air from nature. Hiking is a sport or hobby in which a person hikes or climbs a mountain. It is also known as mountaineering or alpinism. For your information, we can do hiking in the way that best works for in the group and by ourselves. While we are hiking, we are getting lots of health benefits such as hiking will help us to have a better bone health. Hiking also help us to maintain a healthy weight. Other than that, hiking could strengthen heart and lungs. Hiking will help us to sleep better. Hiking can reduce risk for some major disease. For example, heart disease and diabetes. Hiking can improve fitness level and it also boosts balance and agility as you navigate the uneven outdoor terrain. We have to get participants to recognize that this activity is great for our physical and emotional health. It is because it makes us feel first, it can reduce stress that making us feel calm and peaceful. Secondly, it can make us joyful because we are in a nature. Hiking is an aerobic activity of strong intensity. Going up and down, his increase that intensity and is great for the heart. We use our leg muscles over a sustained period of time and thus significantly strengthen them. Hiking is also a weight-bearing exercise, which is when the feet and legs support the body's weight. Hiking will help to build stronger bonds. Hiking also can fulfill some or all of the recommended 60 minutes of daily physical activity, most of which should be aerobic. It can make up a portion of the recommended bone building and muscle strengthening activity for at least 3 days a week should include this type of activities. This is hill that I hike, which is Bukit H. While I hiking, the most body part that I used was leg, that building bone and muscle. The height of this hill is 207.4 meter. That can fulfill some of recommended 60 minutes of my daily physical activities. That's all from me. So now I will pass to Hakim.
Okay, thank you my friend Balkis for your explanation. Now, I want to share to you my experience of exploring the environment through climbing activities. I am a person who love climbing activities, so I have seen a lot of greenery in the environment through these climbing activities. Throughout my climbing of the mountain, I have discovered a variety of amazing nature treasure, including a beautiful scenery, exotic living, and more. What I can forget is the view from the top of Gunung Payung. I have found a beautiful water plane, and what is interesting is you can drink the water directly because they the water area is from a nature sources of the mountain. Apart from that, I also had a chance to stay there for a while to explore what is interesting there. And I discovered a various nature treasure, among which at the night, we will able to see a firefly passing by. That is interesting, right? Because we can see the sky with the beautiful star and also the firefly. Apart from that, I can also see the flora and fauna that are rarely found, like the monkey pod tree. This is a moment that I will never forget because that was the first time I saw the tree and I was saw in the television screen, but now it is in front of me. I have many experience in exploring nature treasure. I've also been to the village in Pahang to explore the nature treasure there. Throughout my exploration, was also able to see a very beautiful carpet cloud phenomenon in the morning. Through this exploration, I can learn many things from this activity.
In conclusion, hiking is something anyone and everyone can do with the right preparation. Everything we eat, drink, exercise, and where we go can affect our hiking experience. To make sure we are getting the right hiking equipment, always do our research. If we are going on backpacking trip, they could last us for days. We want to make sure us have the right gear so that not only do we not carry too much stuff, but that our carrying the right stuff. Shoes also can be very important as we will be walking the entire time of slopes, trenches and rocks. The condition of our feet can make or break us home, so be prepared. We can also research what the level of our height is. A lot of people will comment on the height and tell us on how hard or easy it is and if it's good for family or just for something that's a hiking expert. So, make sure we follow these steps to make our hiking experience a great one. Always stay someone where we are going, be safe and of course, have fun.